The Chevrolet Silverado EV is General Motors' all-electric take on the legendary Silverado pickup truck. Built on GM's Ultium platform, the Silverado EV offers impressive power, range, and advanced technology to compete in the growing electric truck market. The flagship RST First Edition trim features a massive 754 horsepower and 785 pound-feet of torque in wide-open watts mode, enabling it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds. With a GM estimated range of up to 440 miles, the Silverado EV is positioned as one of the most capable electric trucks available. Production of the Chevrolet Silverado EV takes place at GM's Factory Zero, the company's state-of-the-art assembly plant in Detroit-Hamtramck, Michigan. Factory Zero has been retooled specifically for electric vehicle manufacturing, representing a major investment in GM's electrification strategy. This facility also produces the GMC Hummer EV and other Ultium-based models, ensuring a high level of quality and efficiency in electric vehicle production. By manufacturing the Silverado EV at Factory Zero, GM is reinforcing its commitment to an all-electric future while keeping production close to home in the United States.
It does not.
Okay, perfect.